Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of blenders to uncover the ultimate appliance for your kitchen, the best blender. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a culinary artist, or simply seeking convenience, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful content. Let's blend our way to perfection together. Number 1. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, a powerhouse kitchen appliance that's redefining smoothie making and beyond. With its 1000-watt base and total crushing technology, this blender effortlessly pulverizes ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients for silky smooth results every time. The 72-ounce pitcher ensures you can whip up large batches with ease, perfect for family gatherings or meal prepping. Its sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to any countertop, while the durable construction guarantees years of reliable use. Whether you're craving a refreshing smoothie or tackling tough blending tasks, the Ninja BL610 is your ultimate kitchen companion, delivering professional-grade performance with every blend. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, your ultimate companion for crafting perfect shakes, smoothies, and more. With its 700 watts of power and stainless steel ice saber blades, this blender effortlessly crushes ice and blends ingredients to perfection. The 40-ounce glass jar ensures durability and easy cleaning, while its 12 functions offer versatility for all your blending needs. Whether you're whipping up a post-workout protein shake or indulging in a refreshing fruit smoothie, the Power Elite delivers consistently smooth results every time. Say goodbye to lumpy shakes and hello to silky smooth blends with the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. Number 3. Magic Bullet Blender, the ultimate kitchen companion for every culinary enthusiast. This sleek and compact silver 11-piece set is a game-changer, effortlessly blending, chopping, mixing, and whipping your ingredients to perfection in seconds. Whether you're crafting smoothies, sauces, or soups, its high-torque power base and stainless steel blades ensure consistent results every time. The versatility of this blender is unmatched, tackling everything from morning smoothies to evening cocktails with ease. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe components, saving you precious time and effort. With the Magic Bullet Blender, unleash your creativity in the kitchen and elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Power Crush Countertop Blender, the ultimate kitchen companion for all your blending needs. With its powerful 700W motor and innovative power crush technology, this blender effortlessly pulverizes even the toughest ingredients, ensuring silky smooth results every time. The 6-cup glass jar provides ample capacity for blending large batches, while the 4 speed settings offer versatility for various recipes. What sets this blender apart is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze after each use. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, sauces, or soups, the Black Plus Decker Power Crush Blender delivers unmatched performance and convenience, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen arsenal. Number 5. Vitamix Slate A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender, the ultimate kitchen companion for culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its sleek design and professional-grade performance, this blender is a game-changer. The 64 ounces low-profile container provides ample space for blending large batches of your favorite recipes, while the powerful motor effortlessly pulverizes even the toughest ingredients to create silky smooth textures. What sets the A2300 apart is its smart technology, allowing for precise control and customization with its digital timer and variable speed settings. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or nut butters, the Vitamix A2300 delivers consistent results every time, making it a must-have for anyone serious about their culinary creations. In conclusion, choosing the best blender for your needs involves considering factors like power, capacity, and versatility. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or sauces, finding the right blender can elevate your culinary experience. With a plethora of options on the market, thorough research and reviews can guide you towards making the perfect choice. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to aid in your decision-making process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content, and be sure to like and share this video with your friends and family.